This is the surreal Rann of Kutch, the doorway to India. When the night is clear and the moon in full bloom, these white sands light up radiantly. For those nights, the earth becomes the moon. This stark and austere beauty is colorfully contrasted by the people of Kutch, by the vivid colors of their handicrafts and the sweet melodies of their folk music. Close by is the serene and laid-back beach of Mandeva, where the land gently rolls down into the sea. Breathe in the zest for life here, the colorful festivals, the arts, the vibrance. Breathe in a bit of Kutch. Come, breathe in a bit of Gujarat.